What's up guys, this is a quick video on how to put a IKEA Lack Coffee Table together. So I've already put one together there so you can see what it looks like when it's finished. You can get them in different colours, you can get them in white and different wood effect colours. So right guys, I've actually opened the package up and I've put everything in front of me here. And I've taken the screws out and I've put the screws down here ready to assemble. So right, we're going to start putting it together now. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to use these double-ended screws. And what we're going to do is we're going to start screwing it into these pre-drilled holes. So you won't be able to fully screw them in, but you just get them as far as you can. Then you'll get one of the legs. Make sure it's got a hole in it there in the middle. Line it up and put it on top, like so, and then just start screwing it. So just start screwing it in, and what that will do, it'll screw into the leg itself a little bit, and then it'll start screwing into the top as well. So that'll start screwing that down. So turn it to the right and start tightening it up so it works its way down. Keep it as straight as possible, because you don't want to tilt it so it splits the wood, and just keep tightening it up until you see it going down. So you can see it there, it's starting to screw into the tabletop. You can see it there now, it's fully gone into the tabletop. Now it'll start screwing into the leg now. So simply we just carry on turning it until it becomes flush with the tabletop. So it is a bit tight, so I'm just gently getting it into the position we need it. So right, there you go, that's one leg on. So we're going to repeat that to the other sides. Again, we're going to start screwing the double-ended screw in a little bit. Get the leg with the hole in it. And repeat the process again, the same thing. Turn to the right. So just keep it horizontal as possible. Like I said, if you do end up pushing it left and right, it'll just split the wood and then the leg won't go in. So you just keep turning it. They are pretty simple to put together. There, that's done. finally the last leg. So right, there you go, all 4 legs are together now. So next step we're going to do, we're going to lie it this way up. And then we're going to get one of them templates, what we get with it. And what we're going to do, with a punch, we're going to mark a hole. Simply, just put it on like this. And where you can see this hole here, you just put the punch inside and make a hole. So you can see it there, it's made a hole. So we can screw into that now. So we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Lovely. So that's our holes. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to grab a couple of these brackets and we're going to use the big screws on this one, not the small ones, the big ones. So we're going to put them through these holes here. And then we're going to use a Phillips screwdriver. I'm going to put into the hole what we've just punched. The little bracket's going to be facing upwards. Now we're going to repeat that onto the other side as well. So I'm just going to put the screw in first into the bracket. Now we're going to turn it over now and do the other side. Again with the template, simply fit it on the side. So if you can see there, it's got a straight edge here and it's got a straight edge on that side, and just slot it on like that. Again the same thing, we're going to punch a hole through. And the same process on the other leg. So last 2 brackets, we're going to put them in now. So right, that's done. So right, we're going to grab the bottom shelf. So you can tell which way up it goes. So this is the bottom end. And if you notice on each corner, there's some pre-drilled holes. Well, they're not pre-drilled, but basically they've been punched for us in advance. So right, we're going to fit this in, and all we need to do is lift it up like this, slide it in, and then lift it up, and then slide it back down again. Now we'll get the little screws and the screwdriver. Let's see if we can get these holes lined up. So that one's lined up, that one's lined up. I don't know if you can see that. But what we're going to do now is we're going to get a little screw. I'm going to put it through the bracket. See if I can get that in. So we're going to screw it in like that into the bracket. Keep your hand behind it, pushed. And we're going to do the same to the bottom as well. I'll see if I can get this one in. So if you can see there on the bottom, we're going to line it up to the hole, and then we're simply going to tighten that up. Keep your hand behind it and keep it pushed. And we'll do the same with the other side. Finally, we're going to do the top piece. So right, all four of them are on now. And that's done now. Simply stand it up. So right guys, that's completed, full assembly. So that's how easy it is to put together. So right guys, I hope this helps somebody who's thinking about buying one and wants to know what they look like, or somebody who's going to fit one together. So right guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.